Hello, everyone. Thanks for coming to hang out with me today. If you're new here, welcome. I am super excited, you guys, to be sharing something really fun and awesome with you today. The Journal Junk Box reached out to me, asked if they could send me a box to open and share and flip through and review with you guys. And I said, heck yes. I'm so here for it. I'm so excited. Their stuff is next level, you guys. They won an award for 2024 Crafting and Stationery Subscription Box of the Year. That's amazing. So I cannot wait to see the actual goodies inside. We're going to get into the cute, cozy, creative fall vibes today, you guys, and I'm living for it. It's a heat wave outside. Do not care. All I care about what's in this box. So as you can see, my box came a little bit scrunched on the outside. Yours probably will not, unless you have an overzealous mail lady like I do, who's determined to fit every freaking thing in that box instead of coming to the door. So I'm sure all the contents inside are going to be just fine. And I cannot wait to see what they are. So we're not going to wait anymore. We're going to go ahead and open this right up. So you guys, the Journal Junk Box is a month-by-month subscription box. You can order it monthly or you can order it yearly. And your box for the upcoming month ships at the end of the previous month. So this is the September box that they shipped to me at the end of August. So if you love the style and the goodies of this box, you can definitely sign up now to get the October box. I will have Journal Junk Box, oh my gosh, linked down in the description below for you guys, as well as a discount code that they gave me to share with you. One thing right up front that I really freaking love about this box is the journaling prompts. I think it's so cool to send prompts along with the journaling supplies so that you have an idea of what to write, some prompts, some inspiration, motivation, especially for seasonal stuff. I absolutely love that. There's also this little card with this cute quote right up at the front. On the back side of this, we're going to have some spoilers for what's inside, so we're not going to take a look at that. But then you have the Journal Junk Box and their socials, where to follow them. So go ahead and check them out, you guys. Also, it says if you do an unboxing, you can be entered for a chance to win a free month. That's amazing. So check that out. Now I'm going to pull this little pouch right out of the box and we're going to take a look at each thing one by one. I haven't seen these either. I do not know what's in here. So we're going to be surprised and delighted together. First of all, though, I just want to say I love the black tissue paper with the pink sticker. Hey, Journal Babe. That's so freaking cute. Let me see if I can. Okay. Well, I kind of saved the sticker. That's going to be cute to use. All right. Are you ready? I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. Oh, how pretty. Look at these fall colors and patterns. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's take a look at each thing one by one. All right, this was the first thing that caught my attention, you guys. Cranberry mimosa candle from the Happy Lotus. The notes are citrus, cranberry, champagne, musk, and praline. Oh my goodness, that's amazing. I love this little tin. I love the simple but super pretty label for the candle. Glitter. Oh my gosh. Okay, I can smell this already. It smells amazing. How awesome is that to light a little candle while you do your journaling to totally get you in the vibe, get you inspired? I wish for smell-o-vision right now, you guys, because this smells so good. It smells incredible. So Cranberry Mimosa Candle by the Happy Lotus. This is an $8 value, you guys. It's so pretty and perfect for fall. Next, we have the Golden Hues Tag Collection. So these are little paper tags. Golden hue. Look at those fall patterns, you guys. I love them so much. We're going to take these out and take a look at them one by one. I love that pumpkin one right up front with the stamps. Very vintage vibes. I love that they're blank on the back so you can write like a little note or a little memory. This one is so pretty too. Love that. Hydrangea, I think it is. Super pretty. Oh my gosh. I love this one. Love the little cranberries. The moth. I love moths, you guys. And this one. Oh, those are so pretty. Golden Hues Tag Collection, and those are valued at $6.99. Those are awesome. Then we have the pumpkin spice tea towel. You guys, this is amazing. I freaking love tea towels. I love decorating them, especially in the fall. Decorating with them, not decorating them. I'm not that crafty. Decorating with them in the fall. Oh my gosh, I love that you get like little gifts in here, a tea towel and a candle. That's amazing. It's not just journaling and crafty stuff, but we get a tea towel. This is so pretty. Okay, I want to take a look at this entirely. Stop it. It says you are the pumpkin to my spice. I love this so much. I'm absolutely going to use this on my coffee bar for fall this year. This is amazing. So beautiful. And this one is valued at $14.99. Okay, then we've got a fall florals pen set that comes in this super cute little pouch. Oh my gosh, these are beautiful. We will test these in just a minute, but first I want you guys to get a good look at them. Look how pretty. This one, oh, I love that. Very simple, very delicate, but super pretty. I love this one too. This one's probably my favorite. Okay, let's test these out really quick. Oh my gosh. Those write so beautifully. Love that. I think they might all be the same. Yeah. So smooth. This is awesome. I love this. I will be using these immediately. Those are awesome. Excuse my printing. Obviously, I'm not the greatest. So many goodies already, you guys, and we still have 4 more things to go through. Okay, so those pens are valued at $8.99. Next up, we have the Fall Haven Journal Junk sticker collection. I'm already wildly impressed with this, you guys, and I haven't even finished opening it. Y'all have been around for a while. You know I've opened some boxes before, and some of them have been amazing, and some of them have been less than thrilling. This one is awesome. I love it so far. So chase your passion. Love this golden love. Oh my gosh, the little bunny. That's so cute. Oh, these are awesome. Spice and Charm. That one is so pretty. Make it cozy. I love these. Absolutely love. Dream, act big, bigger. Warm. Believe in yourself. Live with purpose. Never give up. Harvest joy. Smile. So a couple of them are repeating patterns, which is awesome. In case you want to use one that you love, then you don't have to feel bad about using it because you have another one. Oh my gosh, the little ladybug, picnic basket, florals. Oh, this one's going to be my favorite, you guys. It's the books, but there's a little ladybug on it. Oh, this lantern is beautiful. A little scarf, pumpkin and florals. Some mushrooms. Oh, I love this one too. The teacup with some cookies, mushrooms. Oh, we've got the owl with our special letter. Little pumpkin basket. These are beautiful. Love the little foliage. Oh, and this one's so pretty with the butterflies. Those are amazing. I love those. So that's the Fall Haven sticker collection, and this one is valued at $10.99. You get, I probably should have counted, you guys, but there's definitely more than 20 here. Those are amazing. Okay, I did count. There's 50. So yeah, definitely more than 20. Way to eyeball it, Alana. But there's 50 stickers here, you guys. And now, even though the October box is not going to be exactly like the September box, I'm sharing with you guys just everything that's in here just so you get a feel for what normally comes or something that is going to be similar. The next thing that we have is this Maple Grove paper pack. These colors are amazing. I cannot wait to see this one. Super pretty. I love that it feels sort of vintagey. Oh, I love that, the cursive. So pretty. Love the colors, love the florals. Oh, polka dots. You get 2 of each one. This one is really pretty too. I love the stamps and the handwriting. Mushrooms and leaves in the basket. That one's really pretty too. And some more leaves with the handwriting. I love that. That is beautiful. I already want to rip it and tear it and glue it and make a super pretty page. So Maple Grove paper pack, $10.99. Now we've got a PET tape, you guys. I freaking love PET tape. One of my new obsessions for planning and journaling. Hazy every day. This one looks very heavily coffee themed, which you know I love. So pretty. My favorite diary. Oh my gosh, this is going to be so beautiful. So we're going to swatch this, but look at that. Look at the colors. I love it so much. Okay, look how pretty this is. Okay, I love that so much. We're going to see how far we go before there's a repeating pattern. Oh my gosh, cinnamon buns and pie, some coffees, some jams, some tags, right in your journal, right on your blog, right on your notepad, notebook. Some more coffee. Oh my gosh, some donuts. Her childhood is recorded in the diaries of those years. A little cupcake. Okay, I love that there's like quotes on here. There's coffee. There's tags. Okay, my favorite diary. And then we're back. So this is how much you get before there is a repeat in the pattern. That's awesome. Now I want to put some of this out on paper, but I have the very strong urge and instinct to hoard this already, you guys, because I love it so much. My favorite things, my favorite color scheme. Oh my gosh, I love it. It comes, of course, with a backing on it, though, you guys. So you can cut around each individual piece and treat it like a sticker, or you can cut out one big section at a time, which I did. So we're going to just put this down on paper if I can get the backing to come off. We're going to put it down on paper and see how it looks. Well, I love this. It's so pretty. I love it so, so much. Might be my favorite thing in here. I don't know, but I love it. That's the Hazy Everyday PET washi tape, valued at $7.99. But really, can you put a price tag on something this awesome? I love it. Okay, then last but not least, we actually get a journal in here, you guys. Cozy Memories. I love this so much already. Oh, this is really pretty. I love the coil. Love the cover. And then we have some lined note paper on the inside. This is quite the journal. There's a lot of paper in here. I love this. Literally everything that you need and then some. This was an amazing box, you guys. This is everything that came with it. I'm super impressed. I love it. No, they did not pay me to say that. They just asked if I wanted to open it up and take a look. It is super easy to win my heart with autumn. I gotta say though, I'm super biased when it comes to fall stuff, but this is a really amazing box. I think we should go ahead now and make a quick journaling page just so you guys can get an idea for how I would use this stuff. Okay, so I started by picking one of the tags to sort of choose a color scheme for the page that I want to create. I'm also going to use the packaging material that came on the tea towel that they sent. I'm going to cut out the pumpkin and I'm going to cut out this border down at the bottom here and also use this on my page because we love recycling or upcycling, and you got to go with the free fall patterns that come on your packaging, especially. I love it. Also, it creates layers and texture in your journaling spreads too. Okay, so I'm gonna glue this right along in here, just like that. Okay, got my tag, got my pumpkin cut out of the packaging. So I'm gonna, I think, glue this right here and glue this like this. Now you don't always have to glue your tags. You can glue just the top and have like a flap so you can see what you've journaled on the back. But just for now, I'm gonna go ahead and glue this entirely down and put my pumpkin beside it. I'm gonna rip some paper now to put up at the top. I love this so much so far, you guys. Okay, now let's do some of this PET tape. I'm probably gonna cut it out like stickers and put it all around the page instead of doing a big chunk of it. I just need to decide which ones I want to use. First one I'm going to put up here. This says you can put this in your journal. I love this and I love the font. Okay, I'm gonna put this arrow right here also. Just like that. Okay, let's put a book beside the pumpkin. I love that so much. That is so pretty with the pressed flowers in it. I love it. Let's do a pumpkin spice latte right here and the little pumpkin jam because pumpkin is my jam. Okay, cheesy, I know, but whatever. It's so cute. We're gonna put that right up there. Look how quickly and easily this is coming together, you guys. I freaking love it. Okay, up here, I'm gonna put this like piece of paper and the coffee rings. I'm just gonna put it right on top of the pattern paper. Let's add some other colors and textures by putting a different piece of paper just right on here. I think maybe I'll carry on where this left off and go across the bottom like this. Okay, I'm gonna cover this little gap right here with this envelope sticker, and then I think I'm gonna use this lantern and floral sticker right here, like this. I think I'm gonna cut this off of the packaging for the tags and maybe put it up along here or somewhere else on the page. Let's see. Just like that. And then I'm gonna put this little bit right here. I'm gonna put the date up here. And then just like that. My page is all done. And I freaking love that. It's so pretty. Oh my gosh. I know I've said that 1,000 times, but I love it so, so much. This box is amazing, you guys. One more look at all the goodies hauled together. You guys, I really appreciate the fact that it comes with extra like little gifts to inspire you, to get you in the seasonal mood. It's not just paper and stickers. I love that so much. Honest opinion, I think this box is totally worth it. I think it's really cool. I think this is an awesome collection of things. My only tiny little complaint is it took forever to get the backing off of the PET tape, like forever. That could be an Alana problem because this is amazing. It's so beautiful. It's definitely worth the effort, but everything is just so gorgeous. I love it so much. Definitely check them out. I feel like it's next level to include prompts for your journaling ideas. And like I said, the extra gifts and goodies to make it feel so extra special. And who doesn't want to open a beautiful surprise box every month? Thank you to the Journal Junk Box for sending this to me so that I could check it out. I'm really stoked to have this for September. I'm going to use the heck out of all of this. So keep an eye out on my pages, you guys. You'll see more of these goodies. Again, I have all the info along with the discount code down in the description for you guys if you want to check it out. I don't know about you, but I'm super, super curious to know what's in the October box. But that's it, y'all. Thanks so much for hanging out with me for this one. This was a lot of fun. That's all for this one. I will see you in my next one. Tell your dog I said hi. Bye, guys.